You did a little bit of investigating about what happens to water at the school, right? And so now what we're going to do is take all of that learning and all of that experience out into the neighborhood. What we're going to do is gather some data today, write down and make drawings of what we see. Okay, so we'll use this bingo sheet to help us gather our data. A ditch is like a long channel kind of thing. Yeah, it's dug out. And a bioswale is just kind of a fancy planted ditch. We're going to be walking through the neighborhood. We're going to be walking on the sidewalks near or outside of people's homes. So let's think about that. What kinds of rules or expectations, guidelines do we want to follow while we're outside walking around the neighborhood? Yes?
Don't cross the street without a grown-up.
Without a grown-up? Absolutely. So we're going to cross the street kind of all together. Ask lots of questions. Keep your eyes open. Don't run. Walk. I think those are the basic things. Just anything you can do to help kind of remind kids of staying on the sidewalk, staying on task, asking questions. If you notice something, definitely feel free to bring it up and share with them. Let's just remember, we're staying together. We're staying focused like you already are.
I got water.
And we're still in school. So we're going to still follow school rules. We're only going 1 block away. Which surfaces do you think would be good to compare and pour some water on? Try it out.
And maybe right here.
On the sidewalk, on the pavement?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you go ahead and pour some water on the soil part for us? And we'll see what happens. You can put a lot on there. And now what's happening? What are we noticing? So why is it soaking in?
It's because it's soil.
Yeah, it's soil. Okay, let's compare now with the sidewalk.
It made it wet and it picked up a bunch of dirt when it rolled down the hill.
Oh, what do you call that?
Erosion.
What if it was raining here?
You would still get
It would drip on her head.
a little bit.
Yeah.
I think
It would
it's
drip
still,
on your.
Oh, like if you were right here, all the twigs and the
It would drip on your head.
Yeah, but it's a lot better at slowing down that stormwater. Okay, over here, please. What did you see? Storm drain. All right, so compare. Let's compare this one to this one over here too, because they're a little different. You see the water coming out of that
it goes into
gutter? It does, doesn't it? Their downspout doesn't go into the ground. It's just like loose. They call that a disconnected downspout. One of these pieces of paper is going to go on your table, and each one of you has a space to write down answers to these questions based on what you saw. Then you're talking about it. Then you're writing down the summary in the center.
When I found the rain barrel, I think the reason that they put it there was to block the water because there were a bunch of these cracks with soil in it. And I think they put the barrel there so that weeds wouldn't grow in the soil.
And the rain barrel wasn't under the spout?
Somebody record kind of the summary or the most important things, maybe the things that you all had in common, and you're going to write that in the center.
storm drains being clogged. Yeah, and like twigs, even with natural stuff, they can get clogged. And trash.
I'm going to say thank you. Round of applause for all of you. And pass it back to Ms. Munger.